Good day, happy travelers. Today we are providing a review of an excursion that we took called the Enzo Ferrari Lamborghini Factory and Guided Tour. So if you were taking a cruise out of Venice, Ravenna, Trieste, and are in the Bologna area, it's about a 90-minute transfer from one area to the other, and you're into Lamborghinis and Ferraris, this is a perfect excursion for you to take and easy to get to. As a matter of fact, instead of flying to Venice, we flew to Bologna a couple days early just to take this. And the members of my family that have Lamborghinis, and if you have Formula One folks and you're interested in seeing some of the history of Ferrari, this is for you. The reason we are recommending them is when we booked it, I was able to engage the operator, Italian Factory Motor Tour, just to confirm the reservation. They communicated very effectively. When you make the reservation, I'll put the link to this in the description just in case you want to take a look at it rather. You can find the hotel, so put in the hotel address, they will pick you up and they will drop you off. It's worth noting that the tour starts bright and early at 8:30 and there's a lot of words here about what to expect. Again, feel free to read those words if you want to click the link, or heck, even pause here to see what you're going to expect. But otherwise, you are going to go to the museums as noted. And if for whatever reason one of the museums is not available, for us, the Enzo Ferrari Museum wasn't available, they do offer substitutions. We could have done Ducati, could have done Pangini. As a matter of fact, we did do Pangini. But nevertheless, if there is a conflict, they work with you to offer substitutions. There's some additional information about, wheelchairs not being accessible, but strollers are, and where you can go from there. So if you're looking for something to do, this is certainly something to do, and this is the what's included English tour. It can be shared with other people. For us, we were by ourselves. Lunch is provided through one of the cafes. Just some sandwiches. It was light. Caprese type of stuff available. So this is where you will go, and you just pick the day and the number of people and you will get your price. Here's just some pictures. It's just pictures that I took. It was just trophies from the Ferrari factory, front of the Lamborghini factory, some engines from both. There's thousands of different things that we could have taken pictures of, but here's some of the factory map layout from Lamborghini, iconic museum information at the front. It's the Pangini entrance, and there's the bowl of the Lamborghini. There's thousands of pictures that could have been taken, actually did, but they have selfies of members of my family, so I opted to not share those. Otherwise, there's more pictures here if you want to see what you're going to see, but otherwise expect to see there's lots of, you're going to see Ferraris and Lamborghinis and how they are made. So if you have any questions, let me know. We recommend it. Great at communicating. They WhatsApps very well, and it went as expected. So until the next time, I hope you travel safe.